And the next one I want to talk about, which I actually got to hear about through you, Weebly. Apparently this one's a really, really good one.
Weebly is a blogging platform, or actually a website building platform with blog integration, and it's easy to use to build a website because its user interface is a drag and drop format, meaning you see these icons to the left of the screen, or what we call the canvas, and then you just drag them on as you want them. Weebly, like Blogger, has its own themes to choose from, but they're limited in customization. You're still working with a theme, and you can customize within that theme, but you can't alter much about that theme once you choose it. Weebly has improved its dashboard interface. It has, the new site creator has been completely reimagined to help you build your site easier and faster. And with, again, these very clear, bold thumb icons that tell you what each one does, that you just drag on. Then you have the site planner, the steps to create a high-quality site. So here you have almost what is considered a wizard and an easy-to-follow videos and tutorials. It gives you a lot of support in that way. And this is interesting too. It even has, and this thing is beautiful, the mobile editor. And the mobile editor lets you see and customize how your site would look on a mobile device.
Oh, wow.
That is very, very clever. Easy interface to help somebody build either a blog, website, or both. I mean, a blog inside their own website. They can even upgrade this in both cases with Blogger and with Weebly. You could pay to upgrade to an e-commerce and make your blog into an e-commerce site to sell your products. It casts a wider net between a website and a blog.
67% of people read websites on their mobile. I think that's the stat I heard recently. It's a phenomenal number. It's just an out-of-the-water number. People looking at your stuff are looking at it on a mobile.
I heard a stat, too, that completely agrees with that, and that says that 2 out of 3 searches is actually done on mobile. So more search is being done on mobile devices than on on the computer. Because people are out and about. So if you don't have a site that's reading well as far as responsive, what we call mobile responsive or a responsive site, people aren't going to be able to search you on their mobile devices. So your point is excellently made statistically.
Yeah. I just want to pull it apart because remember the point of this podcast and this whole system we're creating is we're doing all the work for you. So you just simply have to listen to our stuff and do your homework. We've already done all the research. And why this is very, very important is the future of the web is mobile. The future of search and the future of data is mobile. People are going to start looking at their stuff on their iPad, not their laptop. Not many people do their research, statistically, about 1/3 of people do their research on their desktop. People are doing their research on their iPhone, on their Android, on their Galaxy S tablet. Yeah, they're out and about. They're on the move. So whatever you do, whether it's your website or your blog, you do have to keep in the back of your mind that people are reading it on a mobile. Let me just decode what we've just said there. Tumblr looks great. It's easy to use. Not very good analytics. Blogger has excellent analytics, is owned by Google, excellent SEO, looks a bit clunky, a little bit chunky and hard to use. Weebly is awesome for all of the functionality, and it's really rocking.
Yeah. It
has a mobile component. It looks great. It can integrate with e-commerce. And this is the key point that I want to make, this idea of being modular. That once you get your website humming and your blog moving, in a year's time you're going to want to make it look even better. And then if you choose an easy option now, it's quite possible that in a year's time, you're going to run out of room. There's just nowhere to go. And this site, Weebly, sounds to me like it's got plenty of room to move, plenty of latitude, yeah?
It's an excellent choice for people who want a website and a blog combination all in one, as I said before. Weebly has some built-in analytics to measure traffic, but they are limited in its scope compared to Blogger, so it's not as robust, again, back at Blogger. And also, you can archive and back up your blog. In Weebly, you just go to the settings and scroll down to archive, and it will send the site's file in a zip format to the email that you specify. So you can have it email you the zip file backup of the website, the content. Weebly has its own server. So when you build your site, you're actually building the content on the Weebly server, and they're storing that content for you. One of the greatest drawbacks to Weebly is the optimization of the blog posts. There is extremely limited SEO, or search engine optimization, available.
You're really loading that phrase, so this is a real weakness now.
Very big weakness is that it does not optimize blog entries at all well.